Go from these few healthy ingredients to these delicious chocolatey brownies. But before we start, let me show you the easiest hack ever for getting parchment paper to fit your pan. No more guessing, folding, or trimming. Just cut out a parchment paper that is slightly bigger than your pan. Mark the corners by extending the lines to the edges and cut out the squares at each corner. I'm using a 5 by 7 inch pan for a smaller batch, but feel free to just double the ingredients and use a 8 by 8 pan. Now, it should fit nicely and it will be really easy to remove the brownies after baking. Now let's start combining the wet ingredients by cracking 1 egg and whisking it. Next, add the mashed sweet potato and whisk it until no potato chunks are left. Add the maple syrup and stir more. Keep whisking until the mixture is silky smooth. Make sure your mixture is at room temperature before adding the coconut oil. If the batter is too cold, it'll turn the coconut oil into tiny white pebbles, which we don't want. Once it's smooth, you're good. Now add your oat flour, baking soda, and cacao powder. Mix until everything comes together. Fold in chocolate chips with a spatula, but don't overmix. Spread your batter into a greased pan, or the one we just lined perfectly with our parchment paper, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. The brownies will come out super moist, chocolatey, and perfect every single time. Healthy sweet potato brownies that look and taste like classic moist chocolate cake, but with way better ingredients. If your kids love them as much as mine do, hit that like button and let me know what healthy treat you want to see next.